Ant gel bait can be used outdoors on gardens and paved areas if applied correctly to stay effective and safe. Apply small amounts of gel directly on active ant trails and near nest entrances rather than scattering it randomly. Place the gel inside simple plastic covers such as inverted plastic bottle caps or small sealable containers with openings so ants can enter but rain cannot wash the bait away. Reapply after heavy rain or automatic watering systems because dilution ruins the bait and ants will stop feeding on it. Avoid placing gel on porous soil where it soaks in and becomes unavailable. Instead, use it on hard surfaces, on the lip of a paving joint, or inside the protective container set on soil. Pair baiting with sanitation by removing outdoor food residues like fallen fruit, pet food, and sticky spills so workers focus on the bait. If you see worker ants ignoring the gel, switch to a different active ingredient or product type after a brief trial period because bait preference can vary by species. One common mistake is leaving gel unprotected where rain or sprinklers will wash it away so it stops working. Keep bait under covers and check after wet weather. Another issue is applying too much gel, which attracts too many ants to a single spot and can overwhelm the colony, making it abandon the bait. Apply pea-sized dots spread along trails instead. A third error is treating without addressing food sources and nesting sites, which reduces bait uptake, clean up attractants, and disturb obvious nests lightly, so foragers keep visiting treated areas. BigHomeProjects.com is our site where we help homeowners find local contractors for outdoor pest management and gardening tasks. We also host a discussion community where we exchange practical tips, ask questions, and help contractors find work with local homeowners.